Mother Earth has given us enormous number of products to be fed throughout our first existence. Still, there is one special product among them as a gift dating back to the very well-known existence. Apple. With its 6,500 known species worldwide, apple has taken a very important role in our daily diet throughout years. It's used as a source of cure. Hosting 460 apple species, Turkey is ranked as the 4th country in the worldwide ranking. We, as DFF, are carefully harvesting the apple which we grew in central Anatolia region and transporting to our facility covering 20,000 square meters area in total, with its 18,000 square meters. Cold storage in Karaman Organized Industrial Zone. With our 84 dedicated employees, with the machinery having the highest capacity in Turkey, we are performing 7 containers of daily and 50 containers weekly packing. During packing of the 5 different apple species as Red Delicious, Granny Smith, Golden, Fuji and Crispy Pink, we can separate the apples in terms of their dimension and quality thanks to the trackable latest technology devices with the camera system displaying both the inside and outside of the apples. Ranked as the first in India with its 650 to 700 container export volume, ultimate purpose of our company is to be ranked among the first 3 of the world companies. With our professional and experienced team, we keep existing in your tables by transporting our products to more than 30 countries. Demir Fresh Fruits.